Students, let us consider this question. It is a question based on composition of vectors. Okay, so the question says that a motorboat is racing towards north at 25 km per hour and the water current in that region is 10 km per hour in the direction of 60 degree east of south. Then we have to find the resultant velocity of the boat. So what is given to us in the question, that VB is, let us assume that vector VB represents velocity of motorboat, which is given to us as 25 km per hour towards north. Okay, and let us assume that vector VC represents velocity of water current, which is 10 km per hour in the direction of 60 degree east of south. Now we will draw this figure with the help of this information. So first we will draw these coordinate axes and the directions. So according to the question, vector VB is in towards north direction. So it will be drawn here from the origin. Let us assume that the motorboat starts from this point O. Okay, so it is moving towards the north. So we will draw this vector VB towards the north. Let us assume that OA is the represents the vector VB. Fine. This represents the velocity of motorboat, which is towards north, and it is written as vector VB. Now next we are talking about velocity of water current, which is 10 km per hour 60 degree east of south. Okay, so from south direction it is 60 degree towards the east. Fine, so it is 60 degree east of south. So we will draw this OB represents vector VC, which is the velocity of water current. Fine, now it is given in the question that it is 60 degree east of south. So the angle between south direction and this vector VC will be 60 degree. Fine. Now we have to find the resultant velocity of the boat. Now as you can see in this figure, we have this vector OA and vector OB. These are joined tail to tail. Okay, and these are joined in a common point. So what will be the resultant of these two vectors? If we use parallelogram law of vector addition, the resultant vector V will be represented by this OC. Okay, so for using parallelogram law of vector addition, we will draw a parallelogram here. So OBCA is the parallelogram, and this diagonal OC, okay, this diagonal OC represents the resultant vector V. Fine, so we will find out this now by using parallelogram law. What can we find by using parallelogram law? Vector V is equal to vector VB plus of vector VC. Fine, and this vector V is represented by vector OC in the given figure. So this vector OC represents the resultant of vector VB plus vector VC. Fine, this OC is the diagonal of this parallelogram OBCA. Now we know by analytical method that how can we find the magnitude of the resultant. We know the formula. So magnitude of resultant is given by, here the resultant is vector V. So we can write that its magnitude is given by V is equals to under root of we know that by analytical method that resultant is given by r is equals to under root of, let us suppose a and b are two vectors, so a square plus b square plus 2ab cos of theta. Fine. Okay, now we will use this formula here. So v will be equal to, these are two vectors vb and vc, so it will be equal to vb square plus vc square plus 2 of vb vc cos of theta. Fine. Now what is theta in this case? This theta is an angle between vectors vb and vc. So we will look at this figure. It is given in the question that the vector between this south direction and vector OB is 60 degree. Fine. So what will be the angle between this vector VB and VC? As we know that this is a straight line, AS is a straight line, and the angle between the straight line is 180 degrees. So 180 degree minus 60 will give us 120. So the rest of the angle on this straight line is 120 degree. So the angle formed between vector VB and VC is equal to 120 degrees. So we will put this theta here. Theta is equals to 120 degree. So we will put the value here. So it will give us VB square plus VC square plus 2VB VC into cos of 120 degree. Fine. Now what is the value of cos 120 degree? It is equal to minus of, first we will write it like this only. Now cos 120 degree is equal to minus of 1 by 2. Okay. As we know that cos 180 degree minus theta is equal to minus of cos theta, and 120 degree will be cos 120 degree can be written as cos of 180 degree minus 60 degree. Yes, and cos of 180 degree minus theta is minus of cos theta, and we know that cos 60 degree, value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So cos 120 degree is minus of 1 by 2. By putting this value we will get under root of VB square plus VC square minus of this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we are left with VB VC. Fine. Now we have values of VB and VC also. VB is 25 km per hour and VC is 10 km per hour. So we will put the values here. VB is 25 km per hour, so 25 whole square plus VC is 10 km per hour, so 10 whole square minus again VB is 25 into 10. What are we getting on solving this? Square of 25 is 625 plus 10 is 100 minus 25 into 10 gives us 250. So on solving this we'll get 725 minus 250. 725 minus of 250, which will give us under root of 5 7 4 under root of 475. On solving this we will get the value as 21.8, and we are talking about velocity, so we will write its unit kilometer per hour. So this V, we will get V as 21.8 kilometer per hour. Fine. Now we have to also find the as we have to find the resultant velocity of the boat. So this is only about the magnitude of the resultant. Now we will also find the direction of this resultant. Okay. So as you can see in this figure that this is a resultant velocity OC and it is making an angle beta with VB. Okay, it is making an angle beta with VB, vector VB, vector OA in north direction. Then we know that if we have to find the direction, we use formula tan beta is equals to vector B sine theta. So what is vector B in this case? It is VC sine theta upon vector A is VB plus vector B is VC cos of theta. Now in this case, what is theta? We know that theta is sine 120 degree upon VB plus VC cos of 120 degree. Fine. Now again we'll put the values. VC is 10. Yes. So we will put the value here. 10 into sine 120 degree is equal to, what is the value of sine 120 degree? It is equal to under root 3 by 2, as sine 180 degree minus theta is equals to sine theta. So by using it we get a value of sine 60 degree, which is under root 3 by 2. VB is 25 km per hour plus again VC is 10 km per hour into cos 120 degree. We have just found out it is equal to minus of 1 by 2. Fine. We will solve this. We will get, on solving this, this will get cancelled. We are left with 5. So 5 under root 3 upon 25 minus 5. We are left with 5 under root 3 upon 20. Again on solving this we are getting under root 3 upon 4. In terms of decimal, its value will come as 0.433. Okay. So therefore we can say that beta is equals to tan inverse of 0.433, and if we find the value of this, we will get the value as 23.4 degree. So what is beta in this case? Beta is 23.4 degree. Fine. So this was all about the question. I hope you understood it.